Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied some time and intelligence DAX functions. And now in today's class guys, we will also learn more about some more time and intelligence DAX functions. So here are the topics guys, which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this Dateadd DAX function. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. It returns a table that contains a column of dates shifted either forward or backward in time by the specified number of intervals from the dates in the current context. And here guys we have three parameters: dates, number of intervals and interval. And under interval guys, you guys can select year, quarter, month or day. So this DAX function is really useful guys to make the comparison of previous quarter, previous year, previous month or previous day. And you guys can also set intervals according to a requirement. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and see the practical. So first of all guys, I will take you to this modeling tab. And here you guys can see we have two tables, sales and calendar. And this calendar table guys, I have created with the help of calendar auto DAX function. And I have created a relationship between date and order date. So I will use this date from this calendar table in DAX function. So here guys, I have taken one matrix visual, and under matrix visual guys, I have taken month's name and sales. And now my requirement is I want to make a comparison of the current month sale with previous month sale. So what we need to do guys, we need to create a DAX function which name is Dateadd. And this DAX function we will use with the help of calculate DAX function. So let's go here in field tab and click new measure. And let me rename this measure name as previous month sale. And now I will write my DAX function. So firstly I will write calculate. And under expression parameter guys, I will take sum of sales column, which is from sales table, and close the bracket. And now put it comma here. And now I will write my DAX function which is Dateadd. So guys, now we can see the parameter. So the first parameter is date. So I will take this date column from calendar auto table which is calendar, comma, and I want to make a comparison of previous month sale. So I will simply put it here -1. And if you want to see the comparison of last 2 months, so simply you need to put -2. But for now only I will take previous month sale and now put it comma. And the next parameter is interval. So here guys you can select day, month, quarter or year. So this time guys we are comparing month. So I will simply take month here and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is our measure guys, and now let me drag and drop it here. So here guys, now we can easily see the comparison. So the total sales of January is 233,662. So here you guys can see here. And the March sale is 146623, and here you guys can see the same sale which is 146623. So here we are making a comparison of previous month sale with current month sale. And this 4460 is a December sale which was 2021. So with the help of this Dateadd DAX function guys, we can compare the sales of previous month, quarter, year and date. And now let's suppose compare the quarters. So what we need to do guys, simply go here and change the intervals. So this time I will take quarter and close the bracket and hit enter. So this is the previous quarter sale guys. And now let me edit this with year. And close the bracket and hit enter. So here we guys can see this is a previous year sale. So you guys can explore yourself about this DAX function. It is very helpful guys to make a comparison. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is end of month. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. It returns the last date of the month in the current context for the specified column of dates. And here guys we have just only one parameter which is date. And now let's go to the Power BI desktop and apply this DAX function. So firstly guys, you need to go here and click on new measure. And now let me rename this measure name as end of month. And now I will write my DAX function which is end of month. And under date parameter guys, I will take order date column and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is our measure guys, and let me drag and drop it here and put it into card visual. So here we guys can see our last date of the data set is 30/12/2023. And now let's go to the data view. And here we guys can see the last date of our data is 30 December 2023, which is correct. And now I want to see the last day sales of this data set, which is 4092. So let's go to the practical page and edit this DAX function. So before this end of month DAX function guys, I will use calculate. Under calculate guys, I will take sum of sales column, which is from sales table, and close the bracket and put it comma here. And now I will press enter. So here we guys can see our result is 4092, which is correct. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is end of quarter. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. So guys, it returns the last date of the quarter in the current context for the specified column of dates. And here we have just only one parameter, which is date. So obviously guys, the last day of the quarter is the same day, which is 30 December 2023, because it's a end of quarter. So again it will returning the same result, which is 4092. So let me go to the practical page and edit this measure. So if I put it end of quarter here guys, so it will give you the same output, because the last day of the quarter is 30 December 2022. So here we guys can see our answer is same. And now let's move towards the last DAX function of our today's class, which is end of year. So again guys, the year end date is again 30 December 2023. And if you guys read the definition, it returns the last date of the year in the current context for the specified column of dates. So if you put it year here, so again it will give you the same output. So let me edit this formula and put it end of year and close the bracket and hit enter. And here we guys can see we have same result. So I hope guys now you are clear with all the DAX function of our today's class. So do more practice and explore more yourself, and stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And under this 50 tutorial guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram channel where I keep posting latest Power BI jobs openings. And you guys can also find some latest interview questions and answers. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. And for the free learners guys, we have this free YouTube channel. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.